everyone, it's Vanessa. Today I'm filming kind of like a chill, laid back, get ready with me. I haven't filmed a makeup video in a while, so I thought I'd kind of do a little chit chat, get ready with me. We are just gonna do like a chill, relaxed, everyday sort of makeup routine. So I asked you guys on Instagram to just ask me a few questions literally like an hour before I filmed this. So I have some questions that I'm gonna answer, but let's just start my makeup. I do makeup, but I feel like half of what I do is wrong. So if there's things that you think are weird, just let's just go with it. But I'm gonna start with my Rose Hibiscus spray from Herbivore. It literally smells amazing. And then I'm also going to be moisturizing my face with the Charity Pot moisturizer from Lush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit because I find it is really like very moisturizing. Now that I've made my face all red by rubbing stuff all over it, I'm actually going to prime my face, you know? So to prime my face, I'm just using this Master Prime primer by Maybelline. I've been wanting to try out more of a high-end primer, but I really find that this one works well. So I just kind of put that in my red spot areas, and my skin goes pretty red very easily, so I have to use like a yellow tinted face makeup. Yeah, I just put a little bit on the areas that are a little red. And then today I'm gonna do a foundationless makeup because I don't wear foundation a lot. I'm more of a CC BB cream kind of girl. I really like natural looking but like flawless looking kind of skin makeup. So I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals Complexion Tinted BB Cream on my face today, and I'm just gonna kind of put it on my fingers and then put it on my skin because I find that that works best. I definitely think that was too much. And then I'm just gonna be using my beauty blender to kind of blend that all over my face. But I'm also going to answer some of your guys' questions while I'm doing this. So someone asked me that if you could keep only 3 of your habits, which ones would it be? Well, that's a good question. I would probably keep definitely how much water I've been drinking recently because it's just such a good habit to like drink water. I think it's a really important thing too. Definitely that habit has to stay. I'd probably keep my habit of like consistently going to the gym 3 times a week at a minimum. And then I would also keep my habit of eating healthy. I feel like those are like not really habits and it's really basic, but those are gonna be the habits that I would keep if I could only keep 3 habits. Now that that's all done, I'm gonna be going in with my Urban Decay Weightless Concealer just to kind of do a little bit extra on some areas that I think need it. A little bit, oh, that was a little much. Just a little bit like under here. And then I'm gonna go back in with this. My next question that I'm gonna answer is how do you manage to keep your motivation on a daily basis? To be honest, I feel like this is such a hard question to answer as well because I don't know, I find myself a very like self-based person, whereas like I wanna be making sure that I'm doing things for myself. I do the things that I do because they make me happy. So I guess happiness is kind of my motivation to keep motivation, if that makes sense. I want to be living life to the fullest, and as far as school-wise, that's the life that I want to have. And so I guess I just look forward to the future and remind myself constantly like why I'm doing things, and that kind of helps me keep my motivation. I'm gonna be taking my NYX Studio Photogenic finishing powder in translucent. I'm taking this little fluffy brush, and I don't set everywhere, but I do make sure to always set my under eyes because they crease majorly and it's bad. I'm also going to set like under my nose because I crease there, and like in my smile lines because I have dimples and smile lines. And then also I've got these weird kind of lines up here that I typically just set up there as well because they crease too. Next, I'm gonna be doing contour and bronzer because I want to go for like a really kind of glowy look, especially because it's starting to get warmer out and I'm really pale. I want some glow on my face. So I'm gonna be using my Tarte Pro Glow to Go, and I'm gonna be using the color Chisel for my contour as well as a chiseled angled brush to do that with. Someone asked me what is my boyfriend's name and is my relationship with him going to go anywhere? I feel like that's a little bit of an odd question, but my boyfriend's name is Alan. He's been in a few of my videos. We've been together for 4 years. So I kind of hope the relationship will go somewhere. I definitely think that we've planned to be together for a while. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm not one to talk about my relationship a whole lot on like this channel and like my Instagram, but maybe I should talk about it more. I feel like you guys are interested in that. So now I'm gonna move on to my favorite part of makeup, which is my eyes. I'm going to start with my Naked Heat palette, and I'm gonna start off with the color Ounce as just a base color because it's super light. So the next question that I got was, where in Europe are your top places to travel? And 100% London and Paris. I'm so cliche, but those are the places and have been the places that I've always wanted to travel to since I was little. So that is that. I'm going to be taking the shade Sauced now and just putting that all over my lid, again with this fluffy brush, and I really hope this isn't going to be too dark, but we're just going to kind of go for it. And then I'm also just going to try and take a little bit of that and bring it kind of down, just like a little bit. So I've been doing this more lately and I kind of like it. I'm someone who loves her shimmer, especially with eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking my Tokyo Milk palette and going in with the color Cosmic Glow right in the middle. So gorgeous. So I'm taking just a flat brush and just applying that, patting it down. And then to finish it off, I'm going to be taking Lumber, which is this one right here, the really glittery one. So pretty. I'm just going to be taking a little bit of it and placing it on the outside. The eyeshadow, check, we done her. Time to move on to mascara. I'm going to curl my eyelashes because I always do that, and I'm going to answer another question. Someone asked me what are my favorite makeup products, and that's a good question because, like I said, I don't really wear a lot of makeup, but definitely anything that I'm using right now are like my go-tos. I'm in love with like the Naked Heat palette. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, which is why I use it like in my everyday makeup. I know I always use the Better Than Sex mascara. Recently, I got the Go Big or Go Home mascara by Kat Von D. So I've been trying to use it a little bit more lately and I've been liking it. It's this super big one. So there's the mascara. I really don't have eyelashes right now because all of my eyelash extensions just fell off. So they're kind of just slowly growing back here right now. But I'm gonna do my eyebrows just a little bit just because we're just gonna line them. And then of course, eyebrow gel. So someone asked me if I'm going to prom this year. Yes, I am going to prom, but because I'm in Canada, legit, my prom is not until the end of June. So I am going to vlog it, but it's like going to be up super duper late compared to like when the States has prom. I am doing my own makeup, but not my own hair, but I'll definitely be filming like a get ready with me. Super excited for that. Now that that is all done, I can move on to my favorite part, which is highlighter. Just gonna be taking my Becca highlighter in the color Champagne Pop, you guys already know, and putting that basically everywhere because yes, girlfriend, we love highlight. And then I'm also going to be putting on a little bit of blush today, and I'm a pretty rosy person in general. I mean, you can probably see I'm a little pink. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Partey blush, tiniest little bit, just right here. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray, the only one I basically ever use. I love it because it keeps me looking super dewy, super glowy, and I love the super dewy, super glowy look. And then to finish off this look, I'm just gonna be taking my MAC Teddy Bear. Then I'm gonna be taking my Buxom lip gloss in the shade Dolly because I love this stuff. Buxom, I don't know what you do, but you make my lips look hella fine, so. This is my finished kind of everyday makeup look. Pretty simple, pretty plain makeup. I hope you enjoyed this kind of chit-chatty get ready with me. I love sitting down and just being able to talk with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Mwah! And I will see you in my next video. Bye.